Today we're going to talk about the 6 steps of real estate investing. Step number 1 is one of the most important. John and Lisa decide to get into real estate and they need to find a distressed property. And the reason they need to find a distressed property is so that they can get a good deal on the property. So the deal on this property, they're paying $400,000. The distressed property actual value is $500,000, but the homeowners are in trouble and they're desperate to sell. And so they're willing to make a deal. Now, what a lot of influencers or people on social media don't talk about is how to find distressed properties. One way is you can go through Mary, who would be a real estate agent, and she can get you a list of distressed properties, or you can also go through posting commercials online. You can go through wholesalers. You can get into social media groups. You can go through probate listings, direct mail campaigns, and then you can also get on ChatGPT and get more information on where to find distressed properties. So they found their distressed property. John and Lisa then go to Brandon, the private money lender, and they explain to them that they have a property that they're going to buy for $400,000 that's already appraised for $500,000. Brandon says, great, that's an awesome deal. I'll go ahead and lend you the $440,000, $400,000 to buy it, $40,000 to fix it up. Then John and Lisa contact Bill, the contractor, and say, hey, Bill, we've got $40,000 that we're going to be able to give to you to rehab the house. What can you do to it? Bill says, I can fix it up, I can paint it, I can put some trees, some grass, some pavers, and make it look real nice. And then the property value after that's going to be about $630,000, leaving $230,000 in equity. Now, after that, John and Lisa need to go and they need to find a renter. They need to put a renter in the property. So they find Kate and Tom, who are renters and love the property, and Kate and Tom decide to rent the property. Now, John and Lisa, they still owe money to the hard money lenders. So what John and Lisa do is they go to the bank, they go and they get a cash out refi based off of the current value of the new property with all the renovations, and they do it from a local bank. They get the cash out refi, they get the money, they pay back the hard money lender, and they're able to keep the property. And then because they still owe money to the bank from the refi, they use the money that they get from the rent from Kate and Tom to pay back the bank. They may end up with a couple $100, but they end up with a property that's appreciating, that's going to go up in value, and then they can wash, rinse, repeat the deal. For more information, comments, questions, or concerns, please put them in the comment section below. Like and follow me on YouTube as well. Thank you very much and have a great day. Hope this helped.